Good day to everyone. My name is Jared Telyon, an engineer, the CEO and co-founder of the Metro Hub Liberia Group of Companies. I'm presenting my project titled a full-story reinforced concrete building along with a steel frame water tower above the stairs level from the Monrovia Institute of Technical Studies, MITS. Technical components of my final project includes load assessment, structural model, structural analysis, and drawings and documentation. Firstly, I included the loads from structural elements, light loads based on occupancy and lateral loads. Secondly, I created building grids, set up the columns, beams, slabs, and shear walls, and defined the steel element for the water tower. The third component, Prota Suite, made it possible to run a full analysis to check interior forces, deflections, and the stability of the structure. Tools and skills learned. Through this project, I gained several important tools and skills. I learned to work confidently with Prota Suite for modeling and generating final drawings. It also improves my understanding of load paths, member behavior, and code-based design. So along the way, I faced a lot of challenges, and I'll just list a few of those challenges. The main challenge was design check. Little errors in spacing affected the entire model. That caused me to redo my project multiple times. And the most challenge that I faced along the way was my computer crashed just before the project ended. I had to redo the project multiple times on several computers, and that was a huge challenge for me along the way. Another challenge I faced during the project was the reinforcement details for slab and beams. The software produced details that were difficult to interpret, that I had to research solutions from my handout and the internet to adjust details settings. So just to through the entire layout. So this is the foundation plan from the Prota structure detail of the full story from a water tower and the staircase level. So you see here, you got the column here. The work has been exported from Prota structure to Prota details. So you got the columns here of a diameter, everything measured here. So this is a 200 by 500, 200 by 500 beam along the grid. And this is the foundation plan for this design. And you have a table here, or you have the codes, you have the soft parameters, material properties, and default. You have C30 for the column, C30 for the wall, everything is just imported slab with C25, and you have the rebar grades all lined up here for the foundation. As you can see, this is straight footing along the foundation. And this is the story one, which is the first level. Everything was on the exterior. So this is just a layout. You see the steel reinforcement on both vertically and horizontal. So it was relabeled so we can just lay out drawing a detail of what we're doing. And here we have the components for the table. We have the size of the bag, we have the length, quantity, everything. Just a quantity as well. But this is Prota steel design. After you've done work in Prota structure, you come to Prota design, or you give you the complete design of everything that you need. Each of the columns in design. We have the beams and the columns. This is the slab reinforcement. The slab reinforcement, everything we got here. Columns. This is the column. The column have all the detail in the column, all the steps here. Section. This one being will be. So this is structured detail, Prota detail. We have the beams. So these are the beams. So we have a balance. So here we have 3T10, so the diameter of 10 still like 3 nano here on the upper level. So we have two diameter of 10 listed here, and we have the banking which is 530 millimeters. The column from 7 to 6. We just leave everything in slab. So here we go. And this is Prota detail column with all the beams in the entire structure. Everything has to do with the foundation and its detail at the level here. So you just have, this is the Prota steel. So everything has to do with the steel. It has nothing to do with the concrete and whatsoever design, because we have a Prota tower at the top. So we have to give indication for this. So this is our steel, and this is all the connections. So at this connection here, both here, which see how the steels have been joined. This is main coordinates for the water tower. So for that water tower going to be sitting on. We also have the joint plate or rundown of the entire project, the work that I did for my final project. And thanks to MITS, thanks to the facilitators who afforded us the time to go through this. It's a wonderful experience, and as you see here, so red, these are the colors for the design status. Red means the structure failed, yellow is for warning, and orange means the design expired. Green is okay, with blue is to not design well, we did not design. So as you see the total building here, everything is green. That means our building is okay. Everything is well designed. Structure frames at the top here, they are all well designed. In conclusion, this project helped me strengthen both my technical knowledge and my confidence as a young engineer. It allows me to practice real design procedures, understand the decisions behind structural systems, and apply modern software tools to produce complete engineering work. Many thanks to MITS for affording me with this knowledge and skill to analyze and design structures in Prota Suite. And many thanks goes to our facilitator, Mr. Marcus S. Allen Jr., for conducting such a wonderful lecture for the time. Thanks for your time and your attention. This is Jared Telyon, an engineer, CEO, and co-founder of the network of Liberia Group of companies. Thanks for listening.